Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're on a bit of a hunt again. We're in Target. Was pretty excited to get down, hadn't been for a couple of weeks and was expecting some new stock on the shelves. There was a little bit there, but nothing special. So I just went through the pegs nice and quickly. The base was empty, that catch tray down the bottom was empty, which is a good sign, means a lot of stock is getting sold. Lots of fantasy models again at this store, and heaps of tuned actually. So you can see that one right there. There's a whole heap of that. Doesn't seem to be getting taken off our pegs. I'm not sure why. I mean, I'm not a fan, so I guess a lot of other people aren't a fan too. So I found a few cards. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna grab this one. So I popped that aside. I wouldn't mind collecting the whole Checkmate series, so I popped that down there. Just nice and quickly. It's like I've checked all of these before. It didn't look like much brand new. Are you guys seeing anything? I don't think I missed anything on this on this one. It was pretty basic. Yeah, I've passed up that car a couple of times, but today I thought, no, I'll grab that one today. Just looking. See, another tune down the bottom. There's a whole heap of that tuned stuff. Just... what's that? No. See, another tuned car. Too many. Oh, is that another Checkmate? Yeah, another Checkmate and another pawn. I've got the Fiesta. Already opened that. It's pretty cool, so I thought I'd grab that one too. Just more of the same. More of the same. I was a little bit disappointed. So it looked like I was only going to walk away with 3 cars today. And another tuned. Jeez, there's just so many. So that was it. And I'm like, oh, okay. Oh, what's this? What's this cage? Quick look. And I'm like... yeah, it's all action figure crap. What? Vehicles? Hello, thank you. It's obviously already open because they open it when they deliver it, but it was untouched. And this is a F case for us here in Australia. So I took it over to my cars and I opened the whole box. It was mine. So check the next video to see what happens. Yeah, I was pretty happy to find this untouched case. Alright, thumbs up, comments down below. What did you think of those cars on the pegs? Boring, good, should I have taken something I didn't? Anyway, don't forget, most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels Garage. Thanks everyone.